our future. Now to all our guests, we would like to invite you here to our Grand Arena to meet our animal ambassadors.
With nature for a better future. Let us now witness Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo proudly present our very own Zakaanyang sa Kinaiyahan.
cute na cute ng mga animal ambassadors. Now folks, give it up for Tribo Camindanaoan Performing Arts. And palakpakan po natin sila. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Now folks, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating show, guys, I need your energy ngayong future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I am your animal. Once again po, my name is Kuya Boy, and I'm your host. We've been preserving these animals since 2005, and we have coordination with the DNR, DOD, and PAI. Now as our way of saying thank you for being with us in this prolific morning, we brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But with eagle with the scientific name of Haliaetus locogaster. Loco meaning white, and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. White-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan sa adult size na sila kas folks. Alright, now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. That is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Cyril. Now may pag-3-6 daw si Kuya Cyril now, mga kiddos, mga ates, mga kuyas. Lapitan natin si Kuya Cyril, bibigyan kayo ng silly chart. If natin si Barak, don't you worry, don't be scared. Barak won't bite you naman, just a 4-year-old child po. Sumag kasi talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata, just like most parrots guys. Si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-kadang. Alright, now Barak, suot in march. And that is zygodactyl feet that our folks two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. So marching it boy, left, right, right, and good boy. Parang kami, dahil lang dyan boy. High five to Kuya Cyril na ba? High five to Kuya Cyril, high five. Wow, okay, syempre, napaka-sweet nito ng parang folks na parang kiss to Kuya Cyril na ba? Ang kiss to Kuya Cyril sa cheeks. One more po na Kuya Cyril sa kabilang pisya, one more. Ano folks, sa tibilang yan. Si parang kay isang eco warrior din who here segregates their trash. Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng mga basura? Anyone? That's kamay, nagsesegregate. We have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok. Nag-check ka ng parang kumbaga na perfect. And also we have a biodegradable bin. And once again folks, i-check yan ni Barak at mukhang ready na si Barak. Kuya Cyril, Kuya Cyril. And a count of 3, labang ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, nung unang pupunin na Barak folks, a piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy. Pangalawang pupunin na Barak, it's another piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura boy. And this time a piece of leaf, dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. And one piece of trash ng boy. It's another piece of leaf. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak folks. Ayan, as you can see, bye-bye. Ito Barak na wave, bye-bye. Alright, dali na sila wave, bye. That is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Cyril. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa. Thank you so much. Of the rainforest, Nakalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here na boy. Ayan siya folks. Sa siyempre na kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. Ayan once again guys, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and densis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, torpedoes are ang kanilang mga mukha. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan ang kanilang mga piling mata folks. Legit to shout fly. Okay, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and
fly!
one more energy. 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga texter, Kuya Gucci. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nakatch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni Ate Girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw po. So, syempre, ating mga walking trainers. And that is Jumbo, our umbrella crescent cockatoo with a scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now folks, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 bicycle no Jumbo. Sakay boy, party up sa Pagaki boy, pang first placer, pang Ironman, sikat yun. And para lang good boy, Jumbo not to the kids out there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po because we also have a dang 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 scooter. Ay, kung kaya niyo mag-bike, kaya din mag-scooter guys sa Jumbo, sakay ulit. And pa-jack naman ulang handahan ng sumunod na suntaygon. Namin na ropes. Malalang, good boy. Jumbo, you see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. You can also help by doing the reduce, reuse, recycle, and reborn and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre, si Kuya Cyril Cats. Once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat with scientific name of Arcticus pinturong, locally known as pinturong guys. Now folks, did you know that their tail can act as a vigilant, making it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. At ipapakita ni Teddy, ngayong umaga po now. Teddy, are you ready to down the boy? At na siya folks. Yeah. There you go, and now this prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that in the wild to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Alright now folks, may direct attention to your right naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Pero guys, itindihin lang natin yan si Uno folks. Medyo may pagkamahiyain kasi yan si Uno folks. Again, medyo may pagka-shy type na. Okay, once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Okay, kung ayaw na mag-follow ni Uno kay Kuya Richie, kasi Kuya Richie na lang ating paakyatin sa kahoy folks para makita tayo natin kayo umaga. Okay now guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up with their two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong umaga po. And there you go. And that is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno folks. Fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po. Once again, omnivore sila ha? May tanong ulit ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or grasses at karne? Omnivore. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Wait lang, sino nagsabi ng fruit salad? Fruji meaning fruits and fur or furus meaning eater po. Okay, once again, frugivore. Alright, now, Teddy is back home na. Alright, kayo magpanigan po naman dyan nga guys. At ayan na! There you go once again folks, that is our gentle giants na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Balik! Apat yan mga kuya. Okay, wait lang, wait. Dalawa lang po yan guys. Okay. You can touch it naman po. You can hold it. Don't you worry guys. It's already friends. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag kayong matakot po. Okay? And sa mga bisita natin, hindi pa nakapag-experience. Humawak ng ahas. It's your time. Para hawakan ng ating mga ahas dyan. We promise you, it's already trained. Okay?
Yung hawakan ng ating mga ahas, huwag lang ang ating mga trainers.
With nature for a better future. Mabuhay pareho! Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan.